Hey everyone, this is Larry. Welcome back to Today I Feel Like. Today we are going to take a look at the Polar Unite fitness watch. This is a fitness watch with a whole ton of features on there. We're going to unbox it, take a look at it, try it out, and see how it performs. So, here we go. All right, let's go ahead and take a quick look around this box here, and we can see just a little branding on there. It says Polar and then Polar Unite Fitness Watch, and this is an idea of what the watch is going to look like there. On this side, nothing, just a little warning tag telling you that if you have an issue with this, you need to return it back to the manufacturer because it's the personal nature of this product. You can't return it back to where you bought it. Here it tells us discover your potential. Lets us know this is going to have advanced wrist-based heart rate monitoring, so we can do that there. It's going to have a heart rate monitor on the watch there. Has nightly recovery measurement, so that's kind of cool. Tells you where you are as far as your recovery from when you worked out last. And then you have personalized daily workouts, so that's going to help you guide your workout so that you can get the best performance out of your workouts as you can. It has sleep stage tracking, so it's going to it's not only going to track your sleep, but it's going to tell you how well you slept in each stage there. And then it has connected GPS. Now, connected GPS means that you're going to need to have your phone with you, so you can use the watch alone, but it won't track your route without your phone with you because you need to have the watch connected so that you get the GPS data pulled in from your phone into the watch and connect that data together. So yeah, all right, nothing on that side. Let's go ahead and open it up. There's a little bit of tape over there, so let me go ahead and cut through this tape there so that we can get in there. And let me set this back aside over there, and let's get this out here so we can take a look at the watch. Oh, there's another thing of tape in there on there, so let's go ahead and get that, cut through that, and let me close this again. And there we go. Let's oh, look at that. The watch is right up front. How nice. Cool. We can see there it says open, so let's pull that to let's pull this. Let's see if we can get this up, and let's see if we can get this up and out. There we go. All right. Oh, it looks like there's an extra band in there too. All right. Looks like there is an extra band. Maybe this is in case the watch is too short. Oh, this, yeah, it's same. It looks like the same sort of material here. Let me just double check. Let me take it out of there. Yeah, it looks like the same sort of material as the one that's on there. I think one is just if you have maybe a wrist that's too large or too small, maybe this one is the one that you can use. So, all right, yeah, there is the watch itself. That is a nice looking watch. I like that a lot. I'm not exactly sure what this is right here. It's a little indentation there. Oh, I think this is where the battery, the charger clips on there, so it stays put. So, very slick looking watch. I like that. All right, let's set this here for just a moment, and let's go ahead and see what else we get in the box here. So it looks like we're gonna get some documentation, and yeah, so lots of documentation. Look at that. There is a getting started guide in there, and it looks like there's going to be a getting started guide for multiple languages, just lots and lots and lots of languages. So we'll set that over there. And this is going to be, I believe, the charger right here. Very interesting looking charger. So this is going to fit, I believe this is going to fit right on here. It's going to snap in. Let's see if I can get this right. And it's going to snap right there. And then this part is going to plug into a USB port or to a power brick or something like that. So let me just see here. I have a power brick right here. Let's just go ahead and see if this is going to plug in there. So let's just slide that in, and yeah, look at that. We're getting power coming through there right away. So very nice. Okay, that is great to see. So I think I might have to charge this watch up a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it charge up, and then I'm going to pair it up. I think I'm gonna pair this one with my Android phone. I normally pair watches with not normally, but sometimes I pair them with my iPhone. Sometimes I pair them with my Android phone. But I'm gonna go ahead and try not to drop the phone, but I'm gonna go ahead and pair this up with my Android phone, and then I'm just gonna do use it for a few days and maybe a few weeks. I'm gonna go ahead and walk some and get some exercise in and track it and see how the watch actually performs. Now, for those of you that are interested in seeing just some of the setup, I'm going to go ahead and just show a little bit of it so you can see what it looks like when you initially get it set up. There's one screen that asks you the language you want to select. I already selected English, but I'm going to go ahead and walk through the rest of the setup stage here. So we'll just take a look here, and we'll see it says choose how you would like to set up your watch, and you can choose oops. Well, I think I just clicked something. It says open Flow app and bring your watch close to your phone. So, all right, let me go ahead and I have my phone here. Let me go ahead and I'm not sure if I actually have the Polar Flow app on my watch. So let me see if I have it. And I do not. So I'm going to go ahead and get that watch. I'm going to go ahead and get that app going, and then we'll finish going through the setup. All right, let me go ahead and get this thing set up here. So we can see right here it says on your watch. So I'm going to go ahead and select on my watch so that I can get this set up here. And it says get the Polar Flow app and bring your watch close. So we can see right there that it has found my watch. So I'm going to go ahead and click start on here so that we can get this going. And yeah, it's just going to take a few minutes, and we can see there's a confirmation code that it's asking for. So I'm going to go ahead and select OK. And that should be it. Let's go ahead and click OK on here. And there we go. It says connecting to phone. So it shouldn't take but just a few moments. And there we go. It says syncing, and it says setting up Polar Unite. And so it shouldn't take but just a moment before we're all done and we can start using the watch for whatever we want. So let's give it a few more minutes. We can see there the syncing progress bar, and we can also see on the phone there where it says setting up the Polar Unite. So it's sort of doing two things at once. Okay, so we can see here that the watch is still syncing up on the watch here, but on the app here it says that it's pretty much ready to start going ahead and getting some more stuff set up. So I'm going to set my time for 12 hours. I'm going to actually wear this on my right wrist, and I'll leave the default language there, the language that's set as English. And it says preferred sleep time, says 8 hours, minutes within recommended range. I'll go ahead and leave it there. I'll just leave it at default, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save and sync there. And now it's going to tell me there's an update needed. So it says it could take up to 20 minutes. So I'm not going to wait for all that. I'm not going to keep you on here watching the update going. So I'm going to go ahead and just click update. And it says the battery's low on there. It says please connect the Polar Unite to a power source to continue the update. So I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to go ahead and need to get this, this updated. But we can see what the setup process looks like. So I'm going to get this updated. Then I'm going to go use it, and then I'll come back and tell you what my experience is, and yeah, show you how I like it and show you some of the metrics that the watch actually captures. All right, everyone, so there we have it. That is it. That is a look at the Polar Unite fitness watch. I'm going to go ahead and use this for a few weeks, check it out, see what I think about it, see how it tracks my sleep and my workouts and my notifications, all that good stuff that you can do with the watch. I'm just going to see how it performs, and then I'll come back, do another video, and let you know what I think about it. So, yeah, anyways, I'm going to leave links to this product down below in the video description so that you can check it out and get more information about it right now. And if you're interested, you can go ahead and pick one up. I'm also going to leave a link to my Amazon page and all my social media contacts so you can reach me elsewhere. And I hope you enjoyed seeing this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to this channel. And follow me on Instagram. And I am Larry with Today I Feel Like. Thanks for coming back to see me. Come back and see me soon. And until next time, love, peace, and hair grease. Peace.